अच्छा, कुछ कैंसर्स होते हैं जो मेल स्पेसिफिक होते हैं, मेल्स में ज़्यादा होते हैं, कुछ फीमेल्स में ज़्यादा होते हैं. आपको क्या लगता है किस पे रिसर्च ज़्यादा चल रही है?
सी वेरी फ्रैंकली देखो, लेडीज के कैंसर्स पे ज़्यादा वर्क चलता है. इनफैक्ट ब्रेस्ट कैंसर इज द मोस्ट रिसर्च कैंसर. इफ यू से ना कि डॉक्टर विनीत बॉडी में जितने भी कैंसर है
हाँ.
उनमें किस कैंसर पे सबसे ज़्यादा रिसर्च होती है, तो आई विल टेल यू इट इज ब्रेस्ट कैंसर. जितना रिसर्च ब्रेस्ट कैंसर पे होता है उतना किसी भी कैंसर में नहीं होता.
रीजन?
ब्रेस्ट कैंसर इज वेरी कॉमन. तो
हाँ.
ब्रेस्ट द रीजन इज दैट फीमेल्स में कैंसर ही ज़्यादा होता है. फीमेल्स आर मोर प्रीडिस्पोज टू कैंसर देन मेल्स. So breast cancer is much more common than male cancers. I'll give you an example. If you talk about in US, if you talk about कि breast cancer कितना common है, जितना common breast cancer, it is more common than maybe the next 2 or 3 cancer put together. इतना common है.
Yeah.
So it is very very common. So female cancer पे ज़्यादा काम होता है, but वो होना भी चाहिए because females में cancer ज़्यादा होता है.
और मैंने सुना है साउथ एशिया में सबसे ज़्यादा होता है.
West में cancer is more than developing countries.
I read somewhere, I may be completely wrong.
It is due to our lifestyle. So I will tell you, see what has been seen even in our country.
जी.
Why breast cancer became number 1 from cervical cancer. So cervical cancer occurs because of lack of awareness, sexual promiscuity, and poor hygiene, which are things which are seen in poor and rural population. Okay? Breast cancer happens in ladies who are obese, who are more exposed to chemicals, Western lifestyle, okay, and
मतलब alcohol
and hormonal dysfunctions, which are more common in city life, urban population. So what is seen in all countries, as they become urban from rural, the incidence of cervical cancer goes down and breast cancer goes up. So it is related to demographics. Now West is hyper artificial lifestyle. People are, they are eating artificial foods all the time. Processed food, exposure to chemicals, plastics, hormonal dysfunctions, lot of things are there. So in US, incidence of breast cancer is much more than incidence of breast cancer in India, but rate of breast cancer in India is increasing. So cancer happens more in the West compared to our country, but our country rate is increasing. And because we have a large population, the number per capita it is increasing. So absolute number in India is very, very high.
But very specifically, I read this about Pakistan.
Okay.
That वहाँ पे highest number of breast cancer patients हैं.
Okay, so maybe not compared to maybe US, but maybe compared to other countries in the area, maybe it might be more. Okay. So that might have their own socio-economic reasons. So cancer has a lot of causes. So I will tell you one very, very shocking fact or interesting fact. So if you talk about the top 4 cancers of women, so the cancer which is at number 4 is a cancer which is not even at number 20 in US. Can you believe that?
Oh.
So the cancer, the number, if you look at the Delhi cancer registry. So in Delhi, we have a cancer registry. Every cancer patient who is diagnosed in Delhi and treated at any hospital, they send an entry to the Delhi cancer registry. Ki this cancer was diagnosed, so that they can calculate ki which cancers are important for policy making.
Right.
So if you look at Delhi cancer registry, the number 4 cancer of females in Delhi, it is gallbladder cancer. So there is a gallbladder, which gets stones. Gallbladder. So gallbladder cancer is very, very common. So it's a mystery. It's a mystery why it is so common. If you look at the whole world, entire world, it is one of the most rare cancers. It is one of the rarest cancers. If you look at the Ganga Yamuna belt, starting from Himachal, going till Northeast India, this entire belt of, Punjab, Himachal, Haryana, Delhi, UP, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Northeast states, all are Northeast states, the incidence of gallbladder cancer is the highest in the world. It is extremely high. It's unbelievably high. And it's a big mystery why it happens. We don't know what is the reason.
क्या कुछ पानी से connection?
Yes. So a lot of people say कि maybe it is pesticides. It is an agricultural belt of India. So crops are grown, pesticides are used, fertilizer are used. So some people think it might be due to pesticide exposure in this belt. There might be pollutants in the water which is causing it. Some people say it is the food habits. So some people say that people use mustard oil. There are some adulterants in that mustard oil that can cause liver damage. Some people say that it is a hot environment. So people develop gallstones and those gallstones cause cancer over a long time. Some people think there might be infection. So people get typhoid in this belt. So typhoid, the bacteria infects the gallbladder. And slowly it causes cancer by inflammation. So nobody knows the real reason. But what is known is that this is the hotspot for gallbladder cancer in the world.
ये मैंने पहली बार नाम सुना है.
So it is, I will tell you, when I sit in my OPD, it is so common. And gallbladder cancer is very difficult to treat.
This makes me believe कि लोग बात नहीं करना चाहते इस टॉपिक के बारे में, probably.
So unfortunately,
it is a taboo.
Yes. So unfortunately, gallbladder cancer kills very fast. So it's a very, very bad cancer. So a lot of people, I think it must be there for many, many decades. But what people just see is कि इसको पीलिया हो गया और वो उसकी death हो गई. They don't even know how the person died. And it is, I think it is an old disease. And we need to figure out why it is so common in our belt.
Gallbladder तो easily हटा भी दिया जाता है body में से.
What we talked ना कि when we talked कि by the time the symptoms come, it is too late.
Too late.
So in fact, a lot of people say that in North India, in this belt, other than mammography and pap smear, maybe ladies should get an ultrasound also done once a year. Because they might catch some early polyp in the gallbladder, which can be operated early instead of waiting for it to become gallbladder cancer.
How common is it? For which age group, if we were to target a group?
Okay, so it is usually after 50. So 50 to 70-year-old females. And it is a disease of the lower socioeconomic class. So mostly lower socioeconomic class ladies in the age group of around 50 plus. It is very, very common in our area.
Hygiene se connection lag raha hai iska?
It could be hygiene, what kind of food they're eating, they're washing it properly, pesticides they're eating, their water supply is clean or not. I think it has...
क्योंकि पथरी भी बहुत easily हो जाती है.
Are they drinking filtered water? So a lot of work is going on. I think we will have an answer to this. It's a mystery. So this mystery need to be solved. And a lot of people are doing very good work in this area. So I think it will be solved in few years. You will have an answer.